This might be one of my most expensive ones. Can you guess the price?
I would be surprised. Like I'd be like, bro, if this was $200.
You're in for a rough life if you think that's. I think these are close to 1,200.
In this video, we are going to be unboxing a bunch of tools that Luke just spent a bunch of money on. A Snap-on with the S.
Snap-on, baby. Let's be clear. Let me be clear.
Let me be clear.
I am a student at a technical college. I'm pretty sure I'm able to display this information. It's not hidden. We're not sponsored by Snap-on. All this is going to be Snap-on that we show. We're not sponsored. I'm not obsessed with them. I get an insanely good discount, like over half off. And those of you that have been on the SCP Snap-on student coupon thing or whatever, you understand. And I just have taken advantage of it because it's freaking nice. And I feel like why not now than when I'm in the field / when we're doing car videos.
And you just pay full price?
You have to pay full price. So might as well cop the best now. And
Plus,
flex as well.
I've tried many times through research and evidence to tell him that I'm like, Snap-on's not the best. It's way too expensive for what it is, and like you can get better. But the main reason,
100%.
but the reason why he likes it is because he gets a discount and because the warranty.
I'm basically getting it at like Icon prices or cheaper. Sometimes a little more expensive, but I'm telling you right now, and it's better than Icon. So
For sure.
that's the thing. I'm like, for sure, at full price, there's very minimal things that I'm like, that's worth it. That's why I've gotten all the things that kind of aren't worth it.
Definitely on my dream list though is like, I just want someday to be like, give me a giant box that covers an entire wall that has every tool I'll ever need already organized in it.
Every tool company sells one of those, so.
Well, that's my thing is I'm like, Snap-on's is like 50K or some crazy amount. Whereas I'm sure that whatever else company is like not as much. I think Gear Wrench, probably 8,000 or 10,000 or something like that.
But
I'm like, whatever it is.
Expensive, bro.
Hey, whatever it is, I'm like, I want one of those one day. Because I don't want to have to piece it and figure out like, how should I organize this? No. You guys just decide and give me the tools.
So here's the thing. I already have a box. I have like 6 different Snap-on wrenches or ratchets. I have a set of wrenches, Snap-on ratcheting. I have pry bars. I have hammers. I have both digital 3/8 and 1/2 inch torque wrenches. So, and I have a bunch of pliers. So this is kind of like...
So this is like the polishing off, finishing touches. Last few things you want to get before
if
it's
you
over.
call finishing touches, like going 38%, and then here's like the...
70% left?
Yeah, 70% left. But I'm like, yeah, this is essentially, I feel like I went through and I'm like, what is everything basically with a standard project in each category, steering, suspension, to engines, to doing brakes, to doing your cooling system, to doing yada, yada, yada. What is like the basics you'll need? I kind of went for that.
Yeah. Because this is unboxing it too. And this is the back of an Audi TT that we're using at the table. Yo, what do we got first, boys?
This box first. The other ones are a lot bigger. Okay.
Ooh, okay, what is this?
I'm hoping that none of them are wrong. Okay, so here's the thing. I have a single set of wrenches, and they are non-flex head. They're non-flex head, just kind of standard wrenches, and they go from 10 to 19. So I was thinking, I need something smaller. I need something bigger. So these right here are 5 inches. This is 19 through 15, all the way down. That big. So that's definitely super nice. Ratcheting.
Are you going to open it up and show us one?
Sure.
Let's do it.
Here's one thing I like about buying nicer tools is that you get nicer
Boxes to organize your shit.
organizers. Ba-ding-ka-ding. Yeah, this is a friggin' 19. That's just nice. Have it like, might even be, this looks like a good old 8 inches, maybe 10. But yeah, so we got ratcheting. I wanted a flex head, but they didn't really have a good selection on that. I know that a few other brands do that I'm probably going to get it later, like a little mini flex. But yeah, dude, freaking sick.
Yo, what do we got?
Oh,
Yo. They all fell out.
here is the next set of exactly what I just talked about, so it's kind of convenient that it's on the next one. These are now, I think it's something tiny, like 7. maybe even less than that. Might be like 6 up to 14.
Hey,
Okay, let me organize these properly.
but can I feel it? The quality?
Feels like a
Dang,
ratchet
it does feel like a
wrench.
ratcheting wrench. 14 millimeters. OXKRMI4? Something like that?
The serial
Snap-on.
number.
USA, baby.
There it is. All organized.
What we got next? Oh,
Okay,
ASMR.
this one's very sick and very expensive. This doesn't look like it'd be that expensive, but this might be one of my most expensive ones.
Can I guess what it is?
Can you guess the price? My price? Like what the original, like if you want to go buy this right now, how much would it be?
Yeah. Let me guess. And let me ruin it by guessing super absurdly high.
Sure.
No, I'm just kidding.
Well, first let me tell you what it is.
I will, okay.
Their Impact.
Their impact and rotating.
24, 21, 19, 18. Yeah, they're like built in.
Yeah, rotating, impact, sockets.
And
Thick
they're like-
boys. 3/8. Or is that half? That's half.
Half inch.
Okay, so impact, rotating, half-inch sockets. I would guess. I would be surprised. Like I'd be like, bro, if this was $200.
You're in for a rough life if you think that's. I think these are close to 1,200.
I was gonna say 1,000 as the big thing to ruin.
They're $1,200.
I think these ones, if I remember correctly, these are either 900 or those are 1,200. This might be 950. This might be 950.
Like it's-
No, I get 60% off, so I paid $400 for these.
Let me do an unboxing.
No,
Okay.
you paid the 900. Okay, so this is what everybody talks about being the best
Huh.
of the best. Sockets. Pretty sure these are my Carter.
So you're telling me these aren't just the same as our DeWalt mechanical?
No, I guarantee these are. These are like Snap-on made.
No, I'm not saying like same manufacturer. I'm saying like, tell me like the effect, like the use case, and like how it feels to use, and like the like
No, I
wearability.
honestly, I really hate our DeWalt's.
So like, what kind of negative experience have you had with our regular DeWalt's?
Almost any negative experience you can have with sockets.
Are there any?
Getting stuck? Yes.
Yes, they always get stuck.
They always get stuck. These do not.
I bet companies like Snap-on love about men. They do not give a fuck about packaging.
Well, this is pretty to me. I'm like,
Really?
well, you should see some other tool packaging. You're like, it's like, did you guys even have eyes when you were doing this? This is so poorly put together.
Like they
I
better.
expect some nice ad packaging.
Yeah. This is just like.
Well, and also
plastic.
these are nice because, so you have your toolbox. You have your toolbox and you have all your tools in there. This is the organizer. It's oh
no.
this look it's magnetic.
Oh.
Like the way the
so-
organizer's magnetic.
Yeah.
What the heck, dude? Nice.
These are my 1/4 inch sockets, 5, including 5.5 and 6.5.
Sheesh. Look at that bad boy.
Yeah, look, 5.5.
Teeny and specific and
Like
magnetic.
Ford has like several 5.5. That's here and there. So
Why don't they just use like, pick like 8 sizes. That's what you can use. Across the board, every single car manufacturer's 8 sizes. 20, 16, 13, 10, 8. That's it.
because they could save money like this.
I can save money like this, less metal.
Yeah. I mean, picture every car. You're able to be like, oh, well, we really don't need an 8 or a 10 here because the torque requirement for this is really small. It's barely holding anything up. Let's
if we
just
make it
throw
a
a 5.5 Chinese bolt on there. Oh yeah, we can get those for 100 for a couple pennies.
So what you're saying is like, yeah, like you're like, oh, across every single car that we're gonna manufacture, and we did this for every single car, we'll save like 4 million this year or whatever.
Yeah, and clearance and everything. Like, it's just engineers, and also I think engineers wanting to be engineers. Okay, so this kit I got comes with
All those.
deep.
Ooh.
Did you know there's a semi-deep?
We getting specific out here.
There's
Can I get a rotating 5.5 semi-deep socket?
you can.
That's insane.
Probably not rotating them.
Okay.
Well, actually, I think you can. I'm thinking about it.
Very
so
specific.
it's the same thing. We don't really have to show this.
This is SAE version?
No, I don't get any SAE tools.
Good. They're done. But why? What if? You
What
need-
if I work on a 1970s truck?
Well, you're telling. So it's
Even
every,
Ford hasn't been using that for like 30 years.
What? I swear, like I feel like I have a lot of projects where I'm like, oh, it's SAE.
I think you're just mistaken. Slash it's stripped. Slash somebody used a bolt that's because if you go to Ace Hardware, most likely you're gonna grab an SAE bolt.
People are crazy.
Because I think like construction still uses it, so they're gonna sell SAE stuff. So this is now the 3/8 version. This is the shallow, and it goes from.
Let me guess. I would like to see the size without seeing the number. Like I gotta visually see it. 8/16.
8 to 16, really. Pretty sure this is 19.
That's a 19?
8 to 19, no skips.
Okay, that's good on one.
Yeah.
No skips. Good old Snap-on.
Yeah, so here's the
$7.
deep one. Pretty nice. Again, freaking magnetic.
Why are they oily?
It's because the machining process.
Dude. This thing's solid. I can't even squeeze it, dude.
You can
I
imagine
can't
you
even
could-
bend it.
Imagine you could, dude, rubber sockets. You're just like, oh, look at this.
Dude, this thing looks fast.
Let's go with these.
All right, let's go with the smaller ones first.
Something so nice that your DeWalt kit really lacks. So let's go with the quarter
It's
inch.
funny,
tip
the
here
DeWalt
head.
kit does better than the Husky kit.
I'm sure. DeWalt's actually like an established brand. It's Mac.
Husky's not.
Husky's like Husky.
Husky's just like
Bad.
off-brand Home Depot. No, Luke, you're gonna dent it.
I'm all right. Okay. So,
Dang. Every single length of quarter inch.
and honestly, I should have. This
Extension?
is one that regret, and it wasn't a regret. Like, why didn't I choose that? It was more I just forgot because I went with these first. Then when I found out I could get a lot more, I was like, "Oh, sick! I want to switch this and this." And I wish I would have gotten the 8-piece instead of the 6-piece. And 8-piece would have came with like this and like that, which is definitely nice. I don't think I necessarily need that for quarter inch, but 3/8 for sure.
Well, couldn't you just
Yeah, you could.
put lowers the like just a weak point?
Yeah, hardcore weak point.
Hardcore.
Hardcore. So this is just quarter inch free extensions. Let's say a good 3 inches. And this the thing that's cool because you'll be surprised how often you need this.
Dang, literally just a little bit farther,
Yeah.
but not too far.
Yeah, exactly. It's like there's so many times when I was doing engine stuff, I was just like, "Dang it, man! I need it like that much closer." And then I would just go grab my teacher. And I went, ooh. So yeah, let me bink, 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 bink.
Nice.
And then this is gonna be a similar process. So it's similar, 3/8 though. It's a 6-piece. You have just a little bit, all the way up to a lot. Bink, 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 bink.
But you wish you got the 8?
Yeah, because
Yo.
25-piece deep half-inch impact socket set goes from 10, skips 28, but basically other than that, no skips, to 36.
All right, let me guess how much this is. Just by the weight of it, I'm gonna guess. Is it more than the other one?
Yes.
Oh, okay, $1,200. No, $1,500.
So this one's the 1250.
Okay,
Can you believe that?
$1,250.
Ooh, these are always extra oiled up, bro. Look at that.
Holy!
Now you might be thinking like, what would you even use this for?
Look at the small little square in the
It
back.
makes it that half-inch look. So are these, gotta love them. So this is
What are
just the half-inch impact version
Of the extensions.
of the extensions.
Half
So we
inch
have-
impact. Oh, with a twisty
Oh yeah, that's right. I got that.
or with a rotating.
Should have.
Not really rotating. What is it? I guess it's like just a variable angle.
It's a wobble, or it's called a universal.
Cool.
So, comes with a wobble / universal.
They even got the ring things in there. Hold it.
Yeah,
It's freaking nice.
this is a classic. Use this a bunch. This will be nice. So,
Hey, dude, it's so nice that you get all this stuff, and then I'm like, bro, bring over your Snap-ons. Motor King's
I'm
probably
gonna say
my
no.
car. No, use your Harbor Freight.
Yeah, use your precious DeWalt. So I remember this. Oh, this is what it is. I want you to guess the price on these bad boys.
LP404.
Check this out.
Know it. Yo.
Snap-on 4-piece vice grip pliers.
Let me get a grip on those
From
pliers.
heavy duty. And here you have a little needle nose one. Dang, dude.
What is this, $200? $300? $400? $500?
What do you actually think it is?
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised about 500 now that I know the other prices, but like I would probably like more accurately guess
Do you
350.
want me to tell you what I paid? I'll make it, you give a little more shock value. $80.
You paid $80? So that means it was only
I
like
think it was like, yeah, like 180
200.
bucks.
Yeah.
200 bucks. But I'm like,
nice.
because I didn't think you'd use these that much, but you actually do. Especially, I mean, I think the main things you'll use them for is when people have broken hydraulic.
Oh,
You hold it up.
so how hard do they clamp?
I mean,
Again, it's
essentially
adjustable.
as hard as you can clamp.
Because if you adjust it and then you can squeeze it, it locks.
It'll lock.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, it'll leave grooves and stuff like that. But I'm like, yeah, dude, pretty nice.
Definitely good to have.
Oh yeah, dude.
I'll hold this for you.
Made in Taiwan, baby.
Made in Taiwan. Why aren't American people
This
making
one's because this is Blue Point.
Blue Point. What's Blue Point?
It's their off-brand, I guess. It's their
Snap-on has an off-brand?
yeah.
Nice.
Century.
Century. Yo.
Yeah.
This will
So
help
I
you
thought I got something different, but sorry, this is still a great kit. So this is an 87-piece Torx hex socket. So it comes with.
So we'll never be like, I'm working on BMW. Oh, I need a thing.
Yeah, we'll literally have all the. I guess I can go through it. Show you.
Open it up.
Because also I have e-Torx, and I need to buy, and I'm gonna buy. It's called tamper-proof, and because there's tamper-proof Torx, e-Torx, Torx, hex.
Dang.
So comes with
Sheesh.
basically literally everything.
T6 all the way through
Oh,
T30. Where's the T?
It comes with a little bit of those, but I got a full socket set of these.
Oh, the
So I'm
E.
wondering if but I got Snap.
And then, bro, look, T60, bro.
Yeah, big fat long boy.
Brother, when are you 19 millimeter internal hex bolts? Do we have 19 millimeter internal hex bolts?
Boats.
Or birds?
That's all for this haul right now. But I do
More coming.
have literally, I think, 1 or 2 more shipments coming. Shipments.
Bro, that's freaking sick, dude. I'm excited for you.
Yes, I'm excited too. I'm excited for the other shipments to come. Depends how much is in the next shipment. If I remember correctly, shipment. I'm not gonna be like shipment. Doesn't make any sense. Shipment.
No, obviously, it's a joke. It's like a minty shit.
Mint for your bum. Well, it's a real stinker, man. You need a shipment.
That's funny, dude. Do we merch? I'm just kidding.
I'm just thinking. I have one.
That's me after I eat and I'm falling asleep. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you
Tuning
being a
into
part.
this tutor.
Yeah, being a part of our tool tour. Make sure you get a shipment.
So maybe include a bunch of those
Stinky
things.
butt.